Hi everyone, this is Lisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'm taking part in an open collaboration that's hosted by Auntie Coo Coo. She asked that we create a pumpkin themed DIY for $5 or less, and that's exactly what I did. I purchased all of these items from Dollar Tree. My total came up to be $5 to the T, exactly $5. So if you have not subscribed to Auntie Coo Coo channel or stopped by her channel, why don't you go ahead and do so. Also, if you can click on the links below, on the playlist below, and view the other participants, that would be great also. If you're interested in seeing what I created to create this beautiful floral candle arrangement, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna get these two glamorous gold pumpkins that came from the Dollar Tree, the vase from the Dollar Tree, and 2 bushes of fall florals and my glue gun. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tags from all these items. Then I'm going to take the 2 bushes and position them opposite side one another and tie them together with some tie bags. So here I am tying them together. Once I get them tied, I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess string from the floral bushes. And then I'm going to get my glue gun and I'm going to glue the bush to the glass jar itself. So I'm just applying a heaping amount of the glue to the floral arrangement. Then I'm going to take the floral arrangement and my jar, and yes, I did burn myself. Ouch. So I have it where it's positioned at the lower and bottom end of the jar, and yes, you will be able to see some of the glue, but we're going to hide that. We're going to take some of the leaves from both sides and just fluff them out to hide the glue that's showing on the jar. So yeah, those branches, the leaves on the branches just moves around very easily. So it was so easy for me to hide the glue. After I get to positioning the leaves to my liking, then I'm gonna go ahead and get the pumpkins and just use a little hot glue and glue them to the leaves. And I'm also going to put a dab on the pumpkin and the glass so that the pumpkin can be secured not only to the leaves but to the glass as well. Once I get my pumpkin secured and position all my leaves to my liking, I'll go ahead and add an artificial candle to my DIY, and then I'll take it back to my home office just to show you how it'll look. I'm just going to position it, for the sake of this video, a section in my home office. I think that this project came out super cute and I love it. So I'm just getting it situated here. Here I'm putting the glue in between the jar and the candle. This is a very easy project, so you guys can run out and get you some of these glam pumpkins in a jar and some floral arrangements and get this project started. So I was going to use that candle, but you really can't see that candle, so I chose to use a bigger candle. So isn't this cute? It's going to go perfect in my home office. The colors, it's together and everything. The colors are on point. So if you have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.